Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Happy Wednesday. How's your day and your week going so far? I hope you guys are having a fabulous week. It's quite dawned today. It's very sunny and it's quite warm, but you still got that really nice fresh breeze that is yeah, it's strange. It's been raining, it's been cold, it's been warm, it's been sunny. Who knows what's going on? So today we are going to have a play with our vintage junk journal style cookbook. So we've done several videos showcasing how to play with these papers. There is a lot of recipes in this, but I'll show you together. I will share with you guys how to pull these pages together. Just a little quote talking about cookbook and recipes and baking and cooking and eating more than anything, because we do like to cook, but we do like to eat as well. I mean, I do. Guilty. So little quote: nothing says home like the fresh smell of baking. Do you guys agree? Don't tend to bake a lot nowadays because me and Jamie trying to lose a bit of weight. I mean, he's as thin as anything, lucky. But if I eat any dessert or anything sweet, it goes down straight away and it stays there, unfortunately. But the gym is, you know, I'm working on that. Keep watching, guys, and I will see you very soon. Okay, beautiful people, so been to the gym this morning. I woke up a bit later, to be fair, because do you know those days when you just wake up and say, no, I need an extra 10 minutes in bed? I'm always like, I don't like wasting time, so I get up and go and start my day straight away. But today, I don't know, because maybe the weather is changing, it's getting cooler, it's getting darker in the morning, so sometimes you just feel like, oh, 10 more minutes. And funny enough, those 10 minutes makes such a difference. I know it's only 10 minutes, but it does make a huge difference. Been to the gym this morning, and on the way back, I had a lovely omelette roll. So I shared a recipe here on the channel. So today we're talking about recipes. So I will put the link down below in case you guys want to make it. So it's a very high protein recipe. It's basically an omelette. You can put anything that you like. You can put parma ham, normal ham and cheese. You can put mushroom. You basically do a base of omelette. Put whatever the filling that you want. I tend to do mine with some cheese and ham. Sometimes I put some tuna. Sometimes I put some fresh rocket and parma ham. And then you just roll it. You leave it in the fridge for about 5 minutes, and then you slice it so you get this really nice roll of eggs. But I will put the recipe, the link down below, if you want like a high protein recipe. That's the recipe for you. So today I'm going to shut up now. Today we are going to have another play with my vintage cookbook. It's one of the best-selling bundle. I know how much you love this collection, guys. I must admit, I love it too. And the reason why, because I love cooking. So if you like cooking, this is the videos for you. What am I going to do, actually? I'm going to put all these videos that I made using this bundle into one playlist on YouTube. So it's easy for you guys to follow it along. So you saw me making the base of the journal, and you saw me making some of these already. So I had a little plan, and this is not a tutorial, this is more like a show and tell, and just give you some ideas on the page that I have made. So before I show you this, on the intro of the video, I said that the little quote that I shared, home like the smell of fresh baking, or nothing says home. I can't even read my own notes. Nothing says home like the smell of fresh baking. I put together on the PDF a couple of pages or cooking quotes if you want to use on the journal. I put it on Facebook, on my Facebook group, so you guys can just simply download it really quickly. And you can just print it off. The black and white, because I thought if you guys want to do tea stain or coffee stain, or if you want to print that black and white already in some background, that will only print your black, if it makes sense. So yeah, so you can use that and print it, I don't know, in a paper that is already printed, if it makes sense. Or if you want a white, just put white paper and it will print it in black and white. Yep. So I will put the link of that on my Facebook group. So yes, I had a little play. We've done the desserts section. Today I played with some fish and vegetarian sessions. So I just play with some pages. This is part of the kit as well. This is the cards. There's 4 of them. It says bon appetit, which in Italian is very similar because this is French. It's buon appetito. And I put a little wax with my initial. Then, yeah, so that's the fish section. That's the other card I was talking to you about. I love that. Very vintage. I did this collage onto a card and I just play with some background. And I just simply, I love to use, I got this big pot of, oh, drop 2 actually, of colourful paper clips. I use for all sorts of different projects. But with these sort of journals, they look really nice. Then we got some toast recipe. You find all this recipe as well in a separate kit, which is called 100+ recipe. It's part of the bundle. Love it. Then there is a tomato soup. This is one envelope I made a while ago. And I put some of the tags. Again, part of the kit. Love them, love them. I'm trying to make this very interactive and I want to be very, very bulky. Not too bulky, but bulky. And this little envelope is attached to a page that is attached to this page. Or this little paper clip. Yeah, so that's another soup recipe. So if you want that, you just simply get rid of that so you can read that. And then that's a little page. You just simply put the envelope on the back. I'm just giving you some ideas, guys. I'm not sharing... like, oh god, oh, he's amazing, he shared the most genius idea. This is what I do. Vegetarian dishes. Then on here I've got some cheese souffle. I just put some tags on here. Do you remember, guys, we did this together? Is the origami wallet. So I actually glued top and bottom to this page on the background, and I put one of my tags, part of the kit as well in there. And this is one of the recipes. You got a cheese eclair and the creamed cheese. So this is all like savory section. And then I use it as a tag, so you can either use it like that or you can just stop it like that as a pocket. It's totally up to you. Next page, we've got some pudding, so that's where the dessert starts. And I'm just decorating, put some envelopes. This is another origami envelopes that we did together a while ago. So I thought you can do that and you can put some recipe inside or other bits and bobs. I just left some really nice page, this part of the kit as well. This is another card part of the kit. I love creating these collages. Love collages. So this is one of the card. On here I made a wooden spoon. To be fair, I've got loads of this because I want to put them in the journal, but I'm conscious they are bamboos. They're not wooden, Antonio. Bamboos, which is different. They're recycled bamboos. So yeah, I just want to put in the journal. My initial idea was to decorate them, use some nail polish and stencil them. Reality, I could not be bothered. But I'm going to use the other one. We might do some videos together. Nothing, literally just to play up with some nail varnish to decorate these spoons, because I think it's quite a nice addition to the journal. This is another envelope I made a while ago. Again, another on my initial. Just in case I forget what's my name, I got a reminder. Oh no, I got sun now coming through the window. I hate when did that happen, because... Oh yeah, that's better now, so you can see it properly. Oh, I'm hoping... I don't want to pause it, but I'm hoping the sun didn't distract the rest of the video, because I only noticed because I just watched on camera. Oh, I apologize, guys, but when you get the sun coming through the window, you see the colors are completely altered. Ooh. Ooh. Stay there. Sorry, my things in the craft question. In your craft room, do you think the objects are animated? I think mine's are. Sometimes during the night I wake up and things are on the other places of the other parts of the room that I left them the night before, and that is really bizarre. There are either ghosts that move things around or things are animated and they like to play with me. So another envelope, another page, and I put some paper doilies because this is the sweet section, so I thought it's quite nice. This is another one of my tags, part of the kit. Love it. So lots of donuts and some butterflies. So I play with the colors, so you've got colorful donuts on a check background, and then just put some butterflies on top just for some fun. Then on the pages, so we got some spiced apple pie. I could easily eat now. Other page, what we got here, another card. I've left some blank just because I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Another big paper doily. We got some scones, some Swiss roll. So I still got tons of recipe to be added, but I'll do it as we go along. And do you remember, guys, when I showed you, when we did the base of the journal, I said to you, don't worry about the spine, because once you put the paper, you won't see it. So as you can see, you're really not gonna see that, because we're gonna make this is gonna be bigger, so you totally won't see that. So this is what we got so far. We got 3 signatures, so this is gonna be very, very, very bulky. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. I'm just hoping that I gave you some idea. Before I go, I just want to shout out post Libby. Libby is one of the lovely subscribers that watch my videos and have time to always leave a comments and give me a thumbs up. And Libby bought the kit. She bought the entire bundle, and she made her own cookbook as a gift for her granddaughter. I think because I can't remember if it's for Christmas or it's because she bought a new house. Either or, because I think she's moved out of the house, if I remember correctly. But I'll show you on camera, because I really want you to see what she used instead, because her is very interactive, more interactive than mine, to be fair. So I'm going to show you on the screen, and I'll give you some more ideas. Okay, guys, so this is my Facebook group. You can see the link on my info box. So this is the post from the lovely Libby. Finally accomplished this for my granddaughter for Christmas. Made it with hidden spine and vanished the outside and inside it with a cover. So it's a really lovely journal. I'm just gonna zoom in so you guys can see it. Look how wonderful that is. So that's the cover, and you got a lovely tag. And then inside, Libby has used all different pockets and tags. This is part of my kit, the collage. And I love that she put the Christmas paper with the recipes. I think it works really well. That's one of the tags, one of the little card. And I love how everything blends together. She used the ephemera with the Christmas, vintage collage. So all blends, all it works. Oh, that's Tony. That's Tony again. So everything works. That's part of the kits as well. So she used the entire bundle and created this wonderful journal. So thank you so much, Libby, for sharing it with us. While I got you here on my Facebook group, again, I get asked a lot of time. If you click on more and you click on files, ta-da! These are all my freebies. Okay, so you just click on it or click on that and download it. Have fun. Right, that's it for today, guys. I hope you like this video. I will put all the links if you wish to support me in this journey and buy this bundle. You've got tons of recipes, you've got background, you've got pages, you've got the base, embellishment, all sorts. So you can make your own vintage junk journal style cookbook. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please give it a thumbs up. It's free, but it really helps my channel and the video as well. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you on Friday for another fabulous Friday video. Thank you for watching, guys, and until Friday, stay safe and well.